Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and adorable, a cute bunny mug. Are you excited? Great! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the mug. Start with a rectangle, but make sure the corners at the bottom are nice and round. This will make our mug look soft and cute. On the side of the mug, draw a big D shape to create the handle. Perfect! Now it really looks like a mug. Let's add 2 long, cute bunny ears on top of the mug. Make them tall and a little rounded at the tips. Now, let's give our bunny a cute face. Draw 2 big, round eyes.
La da 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 dee.
A little heart-shaped nose, and a tiny mouth below it. So adorable! Let's make our drawing even cuter by adding some small hearts around the mug. You can draw as many as you like, this bunny loves love. Now, take your black marker and go over all the lines to make the drawing bold and sharp. Look, our cute bunny mug is ready, and it's so happy, it looks like it's dancing.
Yay!
Now it's time to add some color. Let's use these colors and make our bunny mug look amazing. Pink color for the nose and small hearts.
Wow!
Blue color for the inner part of the ears. Red color for mouth. Light pink color for the rest of the mug. Yellow color for outer parts of the ears. Whoa! Look at that! You've made the cutest bunny mug ever! You did such an amazing job, friends! Don't forget to share your beautiful drawing with your family and friends. Thanks for drawing with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time! Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.